Hello everyone. In this class I will show you how to convert any word problems in terms of mathematical equation form. So look at the question number 1. The sum of the reciprocal of the Raymond's age in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So find the present age. So first thing is whatever you have to find out, let us consider as x or y. So here only one person is there. So we'll consider the Raymond's age, let the Raymond's age present age, let the present Raymond's age is equal to x years. Now what is the condition? 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So ago means we have to subtract the age, and from now means we have to add the age. Okay, so 3 years ago the age will be what? X minus 3. And 5 years from now, 5 years from now, so what is the age? X plus 5. So present age is x, 3 years ago x minus 3, 5 years from now x plus 5. Now read the statement. The sum of the reciprocal. So sum means addition. Sum of what? Reciprocal of the Raymond's age. This one and this one. So 3 years ago what is the age? X minus 3. So what is the reciprocal of x minus 3? 1 upon x minus 3 plus reciprocal of x plus 5, which is 1 upon x plus 5, is 1 by 3 is given. So is means is equal to given to be 1 by 3. So here we have to do the cross multiplication to simplify. So x plus 5 into 1, which is x plus 5, plus x minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is x minus 3, and in the denominator x minus 3 into x plus 5, that we have to multiply, is equal to 1 by 3 as it is. So if we solve the numerator and denominator, so in the numerator x plus x, which is 2x, 5 minus 3, which is plus 2, divided by, if we multiply x into x, x square, x into plus 5, plus 5x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into plus 5, which is minus 15, is equal to 1 by 3 as it is. Now we'll multiply one more time in the cross. This 3 we have to multiply here, and this full equation we have to multiply with 1. So 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by x square, and this plus 5x minus 3x, which is plus 2x minus 15. So if you multiply this 3 inside, we'll get 3 into 2x, which is 6x, plus 3 into 2, which is 6, is equal to 1 into this full thing will be the same, x square plus 2x minus 15. So if we take both this term 6x plus 6 to the right hand side, we will get x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So if we add up the like terms, so we will get x square 2x minus 6x, which is minus 4x, and minus 15 minus 6, that will be minus 21, is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation by using factorization or quadratic formula method. You will get the present age. Okay, I will tell you how to convert only in the mathematical expression. Look at the second question. A man's age is 3 times the square of his son's age. In 3 years, the son's age will be 1/3 of his father. To find the present age. Okay, so let us consider one is father and one is son. So present age of father is, let's say, x. Present age of son is y. Now in the question we want 3 years. In 3 years. So in 3 years, the father age will be x plus 3 and son age will be y plus 3. Okay, in 3 years, that means plus 3 we have to add up. Look at the first statement. A man's age. Okay, so mains age means x. Is means what? Is equal to 3 times. 3 times means 3 multiplied by square of his son's age. So son's age is y and square of that. So that means 3y square. Okay. So this is our first equation. X is equal to 3y square. Now the second thing is in 3 years. So in 3 years, what is the age? X plus 3 and y plus 3. This we have to consider. In 3 years, the son's age. So what is the son's age? Y plus 3. So y plus 3 then will be means is equal to 1/3. So 1/3 means 1 upon 3. After that of means multiply by his father's age. So father's age is what? X plus 3. So we'll write down here x plus 3. So from here, if we do the cross multiplication, this 3 here, so we'll get 3 into y plus 3 is equal to x plus 3. So if you multiply this 3 inside, we'll get 3y plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to x. So from look at the equation number 1, x value is nothing but 3y square. So we'll substitute here 3y square instead of x plus 3 as it is. Take both the term to the right hand side. So 3y square plus 3, 3y become minus 3y plus 9 become minus 9 is equal to 0. So if we rearrange the term, 3y square then minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 which is minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can see that each number is divisible by 3. So if we divide every term by 3 both the side, so we'll get y square minus here 3 and 3 will get cancelled, so y minus 3 to the 6 is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. You can solve this by using factorization. You will get the present age of y, then you can substitute here, so you'll get the present age of father. Look at the next question. The question is the product of Mayank's age 5 years ago and 8 years later. So find the present age. Okay. So let's say only one person is there here, Mayank. So let Mayank's present age is equal to x years. So we have to write down what is the age 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, the age will be what? 5 years ago. Means what was the age 5 years ago? X minus 5. And 8 years later, 8 years later, the age is what? X plus 8. Later means we have to add. So present age is x, 5 years ago x minus 5, 8 years later x plus 8. Now read the statement. The product means multiplication. So multiplication of what? 5 years ago's age and 8 years later's age. So 5 years ago x minus 5, 8 years later x plus 8. So this product is means is equal to, which is given to be 30. So if we multiply this, we'll get x into x, x square, x into 8 plus 8x, then minus 5 into x minus 5x, minus 5 into plus 8, so minus plus minus 8 5 is 40 is equal to 30. So x square 8x minus 5x, which is plus 3x minus 40, and if you take this 30 this side, we'll get minus 30 is equal to 0. So x square as it is plus 3x as it is minus 40 minus 30, which is minus 70 is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Solve it by using factorization. You will get your final answer. Look at the next question. The sum of the age of father and son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of the ages is 124. So determine the present age. So let us consider father's present age is x and son's present age is y. And in the question, one more condition is there, 5 years ago. Okay, so 5 years ago, the age of father x minus 5, age of son y minus 5. Now look at the first statement. The sum of the age of father and his son is 45. Okay, that means we have to consider the present age. Father age is x, son age is y. Sum means addition. That means x plus y is given to be 45. So from here we can find out y is equal to what? 45 minus x. Okay. Now look at the second statement. 5 years ago. So what is the age of 5 years ago? X minus 5, y minus 5. So we have to consider now this ages, because in the second statement we required 5 years ago's age. So product of their ages. So product means multiplication. Their ages means father's age and son's age. We have to multiply. X minus 5 into y minus 5 is equal to, it is given product 124. So here x minus 5 as it is. In the second bracket y. So what is the value of y from the first? Let's say this is equation number 1. So from the first equation the value of y is 45 minus x. So that will substitute here, and this minus 5 as it is equal to 124. So x minus 5 into this 45 minus 5, which is 40, minus x is equal to 124. Now we have to multiply simply. So x into 40, which is 40x, then x into minus x, which is minus x square, minus 5 into 40, which is minus 200, then minus 5 into minus x, minus minus plus 5x is equal to 124. Okay, so if we rewrite this equation, minus x square, then 40x plus 5x, which is plus 45x, minus 200 is equal to 124. So if we take all these three terms to the right hand side, minus x square become plus x square, plus 45x become minus 45x, minus 200 become plus 200, and plus 124 as it is equal to 0. So we'll get x square minus 45x, 200 plus 124, which is plus 324, is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Solve it by using factorization or quadratic formula method to find out the percentage. Thank you.